It was exciting being in Venice and presenting our exhibit there. I feel it's more relevant to come back here to Canada and the United States because this is where we need to help educate people about our worldview.
This particular exhibition tells a story of the impact that Indigenous architects and designers are having in changing the way Canadians live and think about the world.
I didn't want just to talk to people's heads, I wanted to talk to people's feelings. That's why we developed these curved forms so people would be enveloped by the space, and we had the latest technology to pull it together. We thought that we wanted to present ourselves as not people of the past, but people of the future.
Each one of us talks about our stories and where we come from and how we try to bring our stories and the stories of the people of the many different tribes we work with into the work that we do.
We're a living culture, continuing to support our communities, our nations. The design work that we do is based in Indigenous knowledge.
Indigenous architecture is more than a style or a type, that it's actually a way of thinking. And that we all think about that indigeneity differently and how it gets expressed through the architecture as designers.
The way we design the spaces that we live in and the way we live in those spaces are interconnected.
Everything that we do in our lives, if we build, if we plant, we got to listen to the earth.
I hope people would see a worldview that is one of caring and loving of the land and loving of each other, that comes out of respect for all life and respect for all people, which are the teachings of our grandmothers. It's a different way of looking at the world, and I hope people get it.